repetition of programmed patterns and habits, which are our samskaras, or the impressions of our impressionable mind, which is the manas mind. And our manas mind, to make it simple, I call it our ordinary thinking mind, as opposed to our intelligent mind or our discriminative mind. Most of the times we're operating in relationship to people and our environment around us out through our senses. And our senses, when we let our senses go out, all five of them, they go out in all five directions. And without focusing on one specific, they then bring in so much information that can be too busy for our manas mind to process everything, to put across to the intelligence for the decision-making process to be made. What happens is that we end up making decisions from our ordinary thinking mind rather than from our intellectual
And you receive the sound, you need to start to observe what's actually happening with you. More and more we train our hearing, more and more we start to be sensitive. Because when we can change our hearing, we can become much more sensitive on what is happening inside of us. If you think about the cochlea, which looks like a ślimak, which is